reuniting with my MCC legends.
Welcome back. So good seeing everyone again.
We have a massive day planned with some incredible performances.
The energy here is unmatched.
तो आदि देवता गणपति, विद्यार्थी देवता सरस्वती और हमारे गुरुजन, इन सबका आशीर्वाद लेके हम आज की शो की शुरुआत करेंगे. So once again, our great pleasure in welcoming you all to this wonderful get together of MCCians. We all love stories, so let me tell you a small story how it all started and where it all started. So 30 March को convocation ceremony में some of our 80 batch people were in, some 80 batch 1980 batchmates were invited. And as we were waiting in the green room for the chief guest to arrive, there was some delay for the chief guest arriving at the venue. It was at Kalidas Natya Mandir. We realized that we as batchmates 1980, it's been a tradition that we meet every Mohina 2-3 months. Mohina is the star organizer and all that. He's shaking. So we did not wait for 2-3 months, and then and there both of us stopped and I said, I checked my calendar, she is going out next month in US. So we said 26th April. And then and there I posted a message that 26th April we will meet. A lot of people said yes. So it was supposed to be a 1980 batch get together. What happened was the Alumni Association then requested us if they could utilize this platform and invite other batchmates and we can have a gala, bigger get together. And we were too glad or too thrilled to offer that, accept their invitation and offer the help. And that's how a small seed sown on the 30th March afternoon has grown into a full-grown tree today. I believe some of us are, we are expecting some of us because maybe train delay or whatever. Generally there are also some dropouts, we can't help it. But we had assumed a crowd of around 80, 70, 80, 90, close to 90. So let's see, keeping our fingers crossed. तो शुरुआत करते हैं आज की शो का पहला गीत. 15 दिन पहले ठीक 12 अप्रैल की सुबह एक बुरी खबर लेके आई सुबह आफ्टरनून. वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट सिंगर्स ऑफ इंडिया आशा भोसले जी हमारे बीच नहीं थी. तो बहुत दुख हुआ because she was probably one of the most versatile singers of Hindi film music. No genre was difficult for her, whether it was cabaret, bhajan, lavani, natya sangeet, bhavgeet, romantic solos, romantic duets, and what have you, ghazals. I am probably forgetting the genres she must have sung. So we thought that will be it's a tribute from our side to start with a song sung by Asha Tai for a movie Kismet. She is also incidentally the highest recorded artist as acknowledged by Guinness Book of World Records, over 11,000 or 12,000 songs. I am not getting the exact number. So that's what we are so proud of Asha Bhosle. Unfortunately, she is no longer with us. However, even if she is not with us physically, she will remain in our hearts through her songs. And what better tribute that we can give to start the program with Asha Tai, with the song sung by Asha Tai. From Kismet 1969 movie, O.P. Nayyar is the music director, Noor Devasi is the lyricist, picturized on Babita. Okay, so it has got a Rubai, but she will start straight away in the song. Okay. Let us welcome Geeta Sharma, 1992 batch. Please cheers to Geeta.
Did
एक तो हिचकी फिर लिखने के बाद स्माइल, दोनों गीता ने बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से ब्रिलियंट गीता। I only wish you could have sung that Dubai to start with. And that's the another idea. And the third was saxophone by Manori singing interludes and some flutes. Brilliant. The track is also very good. Thanks to you. अगला जो गीत है वो परफॉर्मेंस है, मेरे ख्याल से इसको बाजू करना पड़ेगा। महमूद के ऊपर फिल्माया गया, रफी साहब ने गाया हुआ फिल्म गुमनाम। This movie was based on Agatha Christie's novel And There Were None. Shankar Jayakishan, Shailendra, उनके बारे में क्या कह रहा हूँ, great lyricists and great music directors. And Rafi Saab was virtually God for me, at least, and for many others. Mehmood has played a role of a butler in this movie, Gumnaam, whose character name incidentally was Mahesh Rani. Anyway, तो ये गाना सिर्फ महमूद के लिए बनाया था और महमूद के लिए ही रफी साहब ने गाया। और अभी हम एक महमूद और रफी साहब दोनों मिलकर उसको परफॉर्म करेंगे 1997 के बैच के रघुवीर नायक। वेलकम रघुवीर।
क्या बोलो मेरे लिए रघुवीर बोला लगाओ मेरे कहा था मेरा हाय जी मेरे बहुत जोर में मेरे को भूल गया कि तुमने कहा मेरे को भूल गया क्या परिवार मेरी जिंदगी तूने मर जाए तो और सही तू नहीं तो और सही तू नहीं तो और सही अब ख्यालों में काम चला रही ख्यालों में ख्यालों में ख्यालों में ख्यालों में ख्यालों में जय रामा या अल्लाह खाली से डरने क्या करे है तो क्या हो रहा है करे है तो क्या हो रहा है दीवाने नहीं हम तेरे चाहने वाले नहीं हम करे है तो क्या हो रहा है दीवाने नहीं हम करे है तो क्या हो रहा है दीवाने नहीं हम तेरे चाहने वाले नहीं हम करे है तो क्या हो रहा है दीवाने नहीं हम करे है तो क्या हो रहा है दीवाने नहीं मेरी जोर या अल्लाह मेरी मदद कर इस एफसीसी वालों के सामने मदद कर मेरी अल्लाह इन पोस्टियों को मैं छोड़ूंगा नहीं लेकिन तो दे लूंगा
excellent. We were reminded of Mehmood. That's right. There were so many. But Helen was terrific. ते पण बरोबर आहे. तिला आशाताई या सगळ्या मनातच राहणार शेवटपर्यंत. आपण पोचू पण शकत नाही. So after one great performance, we are going to hear another wonderful performance. Both the voices are sung by Kishore Kumar in this original song. 1962 movie Half Ticket. Salil Chowdhury and Shailendra was the lyricist. Salil Chowdhury was the music director. Picturized on Pran and Kishore Kumar, who was dressed in a gypsy girl, in the dress of a gypsy girl. So Lataji was to sing this song initially, but on the date of recording she was not available. And producer was running on a shoestring budget, so he didn't want to cancel the recording and incur the expenses. So Kishore Kumar offered to sing both the versions. तो सलीम को पहले आया, किशोर कुमार को मजाक कर रहा है. उन्होंने इंटरव्यू में कहा यूट्यूब पे, तू तो मजाक कर रहा है, मैं कैसे भरोसा करूं. तो कालिदास करके प्रोड्यूसर थे, उन्होंने कहा एक चांस तो देके देखो क्या होता है. मैक्सिमम क्या रिकॉर्डिंग स्टूडियो है, म्यूजिशियंस है, लेट अस ट्राई, एक रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. नहीं है तो लता जी तो गए. तो बिकॉज कालिदास काइंड ऑफ इम्प्रेस्ड अपॉन सलीम का इंसिस्ट.
आपण काय केलं पाहिजे आणि काय नाही केलं पाहिजे याविषयीची ती कविता आहे. स्पॅनिश ती इंग्लिश मध्ये होती, मी वाचलेली, ती मी मराठीत ट्रान्सलेट केलेली आहे. त्याचं शीर्षक आहे, तेव्हा तुम्ही थोडे थोडे मरत असता. जेव्हा तुम्ही पर्यटनाला जात नाही ना, जेव्हा तुम्ही पर्यटनाला जात नाही, वाचन करत नाही, आयुष्याचं संगीत ऐकत नाही, स्वतःचीच ओळख विसरू लागता, तेव्हा तुम्ही थोडे थोडे मरत जाता. जेव्हा तुम्ही स्वाभिमान गमावता, जेव्हा तुम्ही स्वाभिमान गमावता, कोणाचीही मदत नाकारता, तेव्हा तुम्ही थोडे थोडे मरत जाता. तुम्ही सवयीचे गुलाम होता, तुम्ही सवयीचे गुलाम होता. आपली दिनचर्या न बदलता त्याच त्याच वाटेवरून चालत राहता आयुष्यात एकरंगी राहताना अनोळखी लोकांशी संवाद थांबवता तेव्हा तुम्ही थोडे थोडे बनत जाता. ज्याने तुमच्या हृदयाचे ठोके वाढतात, पण घाबरलो काहीतरी वेगळं करायचा प्रयत्न केला. ज्याने तुमच्या हृदयाचे ठोके वाढतात आणि तुमचे डोळे चमकतात, ज्याने तुमच्यातली अस्वस्थता जाते, अशी तुमची उत्कटता जेव्हा संपते तेव्हा तुम्ही थोडे थोडे मरत जाता. तुम्हाला न आवडणारं काम करत राहता, असमाधानी प्रेमात गुंतत राहता, अनिष्टतेला घाबरून आपलं आयुष्य पणाला लावत नाही, कधी कधी बेफिकिरीने शहाणा सल्ला दुर्गावत नाही. स्वप्नाचा पाठलाग करायचा जेव्हा तुम्ही थांबवता तेव्हा तुम्ही थोडे थोडे मरत असता.
Singing, dancing, we have a very important job to perform. We are very blessed always to be guided by good teachers, creating a great atmosphere. And like me, I am sure all will agree, a lot of our personality got shaped in MCC. More I say, more I feel humbled. But we are all magical stories, and we are lucky to have 6 of the professors amongst our midst today. So a small felicitation, nothing very great, instead of a bouquet which withers away, a lifelong love growth which you people have given is through the jade plant which we have brought. So I start this morning by asking Shivani if you can bring that plant to Principal Sonali Pendekar first, and the people, sir, okay, then I'll tell Deshpande sir to come first for leaders. All of you are, I owe a lot more to him because book center was handed over by him to me, and I think the life's best joy, sir, I got in book center. So your mentoring, I am ever grateful for my life always. Thank you. 1 minute, I think I have to come down. I invite the stalwarts of our group, Dinkar and Hari Shetty, because I think we need a backbone. They are so great in their spirit. One is senior to us and one is my batchmate. But I feel so close to them because all functions just pick off. The turbine fluid which is banned by Iran is with them. They can pick up anything. So Harish and Dinkar will felicitate Deshpande sir with this jade plant.
थोड़ा फ्रंट में सर.
We invite now Mohan and Badri to please felicitate Principal Sonali Pendekar. She was not there when we were as students, but she's okay, she's changing her thing for me. Okay. I'm so sorry, but we'll keep the partners the same. Mohan and Badri, please there. Sorry for changing the
मैडम यहाँ पे. आप इधर आओ. Perfect. Thank you.
Now, what she's told me, I'm going to follow that order. You all listen, you all sort out afterward. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to now call upon Alka Madam. And I think,
On your phone, Moina,
yeah, thank you so much.
because I think you're written down.
Yeah. May I call upon our distinguished Music Academy founder Kedar Gokhale and our alumni chairman Ram Krishnan to do the honors. Come, Shivani.
Sir, can you come this side?
You will all agree, when we do this to our teachers, the age difference is not much. But I feel like I'm a child again. It's so nice, I can't express that feeling. But my dear teachers, allow us to bask in your sunshine. I think you all are just amazing. Now the Queen of Marathi, our Kirtikar Madam. She has told me, madam, I am going to do my order now. Listen. May I call Kishore Desai and Kishore Pednekar? Oh, sorry.
Why need her?
You see, I'm still a student, so I can make mistakes. Kishore Pednekar, I'm sorry, Kishore.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
We understand how big a heart a person has. Ma'am, Sonali told me let others go first, I'll come later. Welcoming Dr. Sonali Pednekar and our very own Narayan and Molina Thakur. She has my name with an L. I think she has more love. No, Molina? So, Molina Thakur and Narayan will be doing the honors. Ma'am, I want you to show the pot to the audience. There is a Guru Vandana sticker.
Change the direction now.
दंडवत प्रणाम.
Dandavat Pranam from all 1980 films. We owe a lot to all of you. Thank you so much. And we can't forget, please continue this association and this institution as a great to be, keep giving us all the joy and liberty to keep coming here. We can't forget our very own Dr. Anuradha. She didn't teach us, but she's such a lovely person and she can make things, she can unmake things, she can give anxiety, she can do lot of stuff. But you have to felicitate her because she's so cute. Please come. I invite Bhavesh, Madhuri Dalal and Pramod Lele because I didn't see Pramod coming, so I missed out the earlier one.
All Ganesh also.
Oh yeah, I am so sorry. Actually, a chairman, life chairman is here, Mr. Ganesh. Where is he? Please come, please come. See, that's why 3 people have come to felicitate, but you have to share one plant only. Husband. This is Dr. Anuradha's husband. He is also an alumni, which she told me 2 times. So I'm very happy. NCC alumni is simply great. Come. Thank you, Dr. Anuradha. Thank you so much. After every joy, like day follows night, we had one of our batchmates who passed away. So can I request a 1 minute silence for Chetan Mehta, who was our classmate? We just honor because we lost him very recently.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. Finally, I got the mic. Wanted to say so many things this morning. Very happy to see you all here. And I know what's in your mind. Actually, it was put very explicitly by one of my batchmates. He is very jealous of him. He said, Namrata, you are so lucky. He said, yes, I am. I get to do what I like, what I am passionate about. And most important of all, I get to be where I am. I like my college. I always loved it as I'm a student. I was a student here, and I'm so happy and honored to be a teacher here. I continue to come back to my home every day, and with a lot of dreams, with a great vision where we could take MCC. And I know I'm nobody. I cannot do anything on my own, and I'm so blessed. Dr. Sonali Pendekar ma'am made me in charge of alumni committee, and she said, Amrata, you have to take it forward now. Do something. It is that trust which she placed on me made me think, yes, what can we do? Alumni, I know, can do many things. It can make wonders. We have read in news about IITs doing so much for IIT. IIT alumni contributing so much. Why not? I know MCC is a small college, but why not? MCC has got great legacy. What MCC alumni or MCCians cannot do for MCC, they can do anything. And so it all started with baby steps under the guidance of our principal, Dr. Sonali Pendekar ma'am. It was the effort. Baby steps were taken, I will admit. We registered our MCC alumni as a trust. And then began the journey of now what? We got few members to be MCC alumni members. My managing committee formed a committee of 30 members, but we knew that was the first step. Now we had to take it forward, we have to formalize it, we have to document everything, conduct several activities. Believe me, step by step, like Madam always says, do it systematically, slowly, but you will get it here. And we have got alumni engagement in almost all the activities today. Today, alumni has represented all our board of studies. We have alumni involvement in placement, great placement. This year, we are going to cross the 200 mark. And alumni has got a grade. Name any company, name any bank. Our alumni is already there. Satish Pudekar sir is not here. TJSP, Saras ma'am. Call anybody and immediately the placement coordinator will say, ma'am, that person is from alumni. And I'm so proud that alumni is very much into our placements. They are coming to our college for career guidance, for mentoring, they come as industry experts to give practical insights to our students. Now the next thing. Now sir, we are already doing all of this. Now the next thing which Sonali madam has always told me, and this is the vision we have shared, that we need to we have to create that visibility. MCC alumni is doing so much, has contributed so much to students, and that is how maybe we will have to do a little bit of crowdfunding or pull in some resources to bring some financial aid. I am very happy to say today that even today I have got so many members who have joined MCC alumni. Whatever you all have contributed, 5,000, 10,000 towards annual membership, toward many of us are patrons, many of us are annual life members. This member, today we have around 3,50,000. Madam, I'm very happy to say this. In 1 year. So, as Ramakrishnan sir, who is our chairman, who always tells us, Anuradha, don't worry. We are just 1 year old and we have done a great job. 3,50,000 is not a small amount, he will say. Then I'll say, no sir. The target which was given to me by Sonali Pendekar madam was 50 lakhs. I have not even reached that. Then he will say, no, wait, we will get there. So, we have got around 3 lakh, crossed that 3 lakh, but then there is so much more to do. This is going to be the corpus. This is going to be placed in FDs and the interest amount will be later on used for various activities with students. Now, what we need to bring out is scholarship for students. Those who are maybe economically from weaker section, we need to give some financial aid because many of the programs have very high fees, more than 40,000, 60,000, 80,000. So in small if alumni can adopt any 2 or 3 students and contribute to their fees, it will be a big thing. We are also here to felicitate our patrons. Our Molina Thakur madam was our first, or rather she said he is our first patron. She set the ball rolling. It was a trend, she said. On 10th of August, we invited Molina madam with we conducted a small felicitation ceremony. And today we have as many as 10 patrons. We have an honorary patron as well. Dr. Advocate Ajay Khanvilkar said, Justice Ajay Khanvilkar. Sorry. Justice Ajay Khanvilkar said is our first honorary patron, followed by Molina madam. We have many more patrons as well. I would request Ramakrishnan sir, chairman of MCC alumni, and Bhavesh Thakkar sir. Bhavesh Thakkar sir, are you here? He is a treasurer of our MCC alumni. I would request them to join me. So, would you,
May I request Honorable Madam to come up, please? Yeah, please. Well, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Hope you are not dozing. Well, without taking much of your time, we will just go on with the process. As Dr. Andal Madam has already said, we do require membership to come forward. Everyone in the 1980 batch. Moina, where is Moina? Please, you should initiate that every one of the 1980 batch should become members, life members, or partners, as the case may be. You take initiative, please. Okay. We want everyone and also to be actively involved in the activities. Be an equal people. It is one hand or two hand cannot do anything. We are still in the infant process. We have got another 4 days for the first birthday of MCC alumni, which we are celebrating today. Right? I take it as such. Thank you so much. Just please call. Moina madam, please. You will be the second patron. May I request first patron also come on the stage? Molina Thakur. You are the backbone of our alumni.
I think first is she.
Molina Thakur. You are the second.
Thank you so much.
Kishore Desai.
Very proud to be an alumni and patron here. Thank you. She's Molina. I am Molina.
There is always a confusion on this. Kishore.
Thank you.
Molina.
I am बोल रही हूँ
As long as Mr. Thakur and Mr. Anand don't confuse.
Dinkar Shetty is of my batch. Dinkar and Harish, both of them are my batch, 1978.
Harish,
Harish also, he was with us too.
you failed or what? He is my batch. Harish बोला ये हमारे बैच का है। छोड़ेंगे अभी दिनकर को भी हमारे बैच में लेते हैं।
Hemendra Mehta.
Hemendra Mehta.
Come together. Mr. Mohan Kataria. Kataria.
बेटा बहुत का लाइसेंस बेटा पहले Anybody else?
I wish to thank all the veterans.
Please a guy.
We are going to live my life.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Please come forward and let's all meet, have a get together probably shortly.
Mrs. Usha Dorwar and Mr. Vivek Shirke sir are also patrons, but they are not here, I suppose. So I can.
Thank you, Dr. Ananda. Thank you, Mr. Ramakrishnan. Thank you, Vaibhav. Mike Chi. So, after this wonderful function of Alumni Association, Dr. Ananda, I completely agree with you. We and Ramakrishna, we really need people to come forward and take this association forward. By the way, congratulations, 1 year, I'm completing 1 year, and a corpus of 350,000. There is a saying in English, it's very difficult to make first million. There are other millions simply follow. So don't worry. It will शुरू करो।
पायावर ठेवलेलं डोकं काढून घेतलं आपल्याला पुढे मागे लागेल म्हणून. आणि जाता जाता विचित्र नेमाने विचित्र नेमाने विचित्र नेमाने विचित्र नेमाने कोणी रखडली धुळी काळिका कोणी
संसाराचे प्रेम संसाराचे प्रेम संसाराचे प्रेम मागणचे ज्ञान कुणाला देवागणचे ज्ञान कुणाला देवागणचे देवागणचे ज्ञान कुणाला देवागणचे ज्ञान कुणाला देवागणचे 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 ज्ञान कुणाला
वसंत कार्यक्रमाचे शब्द आणि अभिषेक कुमारचं संगीत होतं आणि रामदास कामरानी एक्सलंट. थँक्यू. खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. खूप मोठं नाव कमावलं. त्याच्यानंतर आपण कविता ऐकणार होतो. मिलिमा आणि फॉलोड बाय मुकुंद साबळे. त्याच्यावरती त्या व्हिडिओमध्ये येईल ना.
नमस्कार. फार सुंदर सुंदर गाणी ऐकायला मिळाली आणि आपल्या MCCचा घडा अक्षरशः सिंगर आणि कलाकारांनी भरलेला आहे. फार छान प्रोग्राम. थोडंसं ट्रॅक चेंज करते. छोट्या छोट्या कविता आहेत त्या ऐकून मी ऐकवते. सो अतिशय सोपी भाषा आहे. बघा बहुतेक सगळ्यांना कळेल असं वाटते कारण मराठीतून आहे. पहिली कविता आहे ही लाईफस्टाईलवर आहे. जीवनशैली सध्याचा जो जमाना बदललेला आहे त्याच्यावर लिहिलेली आहे. डिजिटलचा जमाना आला. स्मार्टफोन्स आणि सोशल मीडियाचा वापर अति वाढला. टेक्नॉलॉजीने जगाला जरी मुठीत आणले तरी नात्यातील अंतर नको तेवढे वाढवून ठेवले. IT असेल, बायोटेक असेल, कम्युनिकेशन असेल किंवा फिनटेक असेल, नजरेस पडली अद्भुत क्रांती आणि सर्वच क्षेत्री AI ची भरारी झाली अतिच मोठी. मोबाईल गेम्सची तर गोष्टच वेगळी. मनोरंजनात सारी पिढीच गुंतली. आजूबाजूचा भाग हरपून बसली. दुसरीकडे नकळतपणे सायबर क्राईमची पुढे रुजली गेली. पैशाचे व्यवहार चुटकीसरसे होऊ लागले तरी नाण्याची दुसरी बाजू दाखवून गेले. सायबर क्राईमने विश्वासार्हतेला डळमळीत केले. सामान्य जनतेस बोलता बोलता वेठीस धरले. आणि ह्या साऱ्या डिजिटलच्या जमान्यात पैशाची किंमत उतरत राहिली. इन्फ्लेशनची उंची वाढत राहिली. सारी सुख पैशाशी निगडीत झाली आणि माणसाच्या सुखदुःखांनी एक्सचेंज पॉलिसी स्वीकारली. आता सगळीकडे इन्स्टंटचे वारे वाहू लागले आणि पारंपरिक जीवनशैली बदलत राहिले. आपली पारंपरिक जीवनशैली बदलत राहिली. आणि एक ही छोटीशी अगदी 1 मिनिटाची आहे. सो थोडासा उन्हाळ्यात खूप उष्णता वाढलेली असते तेव्हा धरती आणि आकाशातला संवाद आहे. धरती अंबर प्रेम कहाणी पटकन वाचते. धरतीने अंबराशी धरला जरा आबोला, उन्हाळ्यातील उष्मांकाने केला सारा घोटाळा. अंबराने धरतीस थोडा धीर धरण्यास सांगितला, रविराजासी आवर घालण्या प्रयत्न माझा चालला. चौकूर घोडे उधळले जसे अन लगाम त्याचा सुटला. तापून रागाने गरम झालेली धरती पारा तिचा सुटला. परिस्थिती आता बाहेर गेली, अंबर विचारात गुंतला. इतक्यात कीव आली तिथे शांत फिरणाऱ्या वाऱ्याला. मदतीचा हात त्याने पुढे केला आणि सोसाट्याचा वारा सुटला. धरती जरी आनंदली, वादळापासून स्वतःच ती सावरू लागली. अंबराने निश्वास सोडला, आनंदलेल्या धरतीला तो निरखू लागला. झाडे वेली कोसळू लागल्या, धरती आता हताश झाली आणि मदतीसाठी अंबराकडे ती पाहू लागली. धरतीचा तो एक कटाक्ष अंबराच्या हृदयी भिडला. अंबराच्या मनीचा आवर क्षणात आता सुटला. आणि जललहरीचा वर्षाव झाला, नको तेवढे बरसत राहिला. आणि धरतीला चिंब चिंब तो करून गेला. धरतीला चिंब चिंब तो करून गेला.
Good.
Please tell them don't leave without the lunch box.
अच्छा हाँ lunch. अच्छा lunch boxes are being served right where you are sitting. Please eat. Please have lunch while we are listening to the program. And just be aware that we don't spill something on the ground and put the lunch box in the dustbin skip once you are finished with it.
नमस्कार. अगदी अवघड वळणावर मला बोलवलं. बाकी जेवणाचे लंच बॉक्स आलेले आहेत.
आता जेवण आणि
बंदोबरी करणार आहे. हरकत नाही, सगळे आपलेच लोक आहेत.
ऑल द बेस्ट. तोंडी लावणं असतं तसं.
मी मानून घेईन की सगळ्यांनी ऐकली कविता.
तोंडी लावणं तशी कधी कविता.
कवितेचं शीर्षक आहे अंतर्मुख. कवितेचं शीर्षक आहे अंतर्मुख. आपलं वय असं आहे आता 65 अभाव. आपण अनेक वेळा असे प्रसंग येतात की आपण काही बोलावंसं वाटत नाही. आणि त्या प्रसंगातून आलेली ही एक कविता आहे. आणि त्यावेळेला आपली परिस्थिती काय असते त्याचे थोडंसं वर्णन करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. मला आणखी एक पॉझिटिव्ह साईड बघतोय की लोकांची तोंड खाण्यामुळे तरी बंद होती. म्हणजे काय वाटत चांगलं शोधायची कॉलेजच्या मला सुरुवात केली असतात. तर अंतर्मुख बोलावंसं वाटत नाही. बोलावंसं वाटत नाही. बोलूनही फरक नाही. बोलूनही फरक नाही. असेही दिवस येतात. असेही दिवस येतात आणि देवाजवळ नेतात. असेही दिवस येतात देवाजवळ नेतात. नकोच वाटतं काही. नकोच वाटतं काही. मनात नसतं काही. मनात नसतं काहीही. तटस्थ दिवस येतात. तटस्थ दिवस येतात देवाजवळ नेतात. ते तटस्थ दिवस येतात देवाजवळ नेतात. माझ्या आणि त्यांच्या. माझ्या आणि त्यांच्या नाहीच मुळी काही. माझ्या आणि त्यांच्या नाहीच मुळी काही. माझ्या आणि त्याच्या. माझ्या आणि त्याच्या राहते सारे काही. माझ्या आणि त्याच्या राहते सारे काही. अनेकदा मी हारतो. अनेकदा मी हारतो तेव्हा तो सावरतो. अनेकदा मी हारतो तेव्हा तो सावरतो. काही जण घडलेच नाही. काही जण घडलेच नाही. माझ्या मनास उत्साहतो. उत्साह होतो. रात गई बात गई, रात गई बात गई, रोज सूर्य उगवतो. रात गई बात गई, रोज सूर्य उगवतो. विस्मरण वरदान ज्याचं रोज त्याला स्मरतो. विस्मरण वरदान ज्याचं रोज त्याला स्मरतो. तेच रोज वाढत राहो, तेच रोज वाढत राहो. मनास उत्साहित राहो, मनास उत्साहित राहो. त्याला स्मरता स्मरता, त्याला स्मरता स्मरता तो सर्वात दिसत राहो, तो सर्वात दिसत राहो.
बरोबर, तुला पण म्हणजे तोंड बंद ठेवून तुला पण चांगला कविता सादर करताना आनंद मिळाला. कुछ 10-12-15 मिनट का है. while you are eating we will have the next performance. Our batchmate Kamlakar Joshi किधर है? So he is going to sing, he is going to perform without track because उनकी ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस नहीं है ट्रैक के ऊपर, but he sings well, I can tell you. और गाना भी इतना बढ़िया है, माहौल को पूरा अपलिफ्ट कर देगा. पता नहीं वो किसके लिए गा रहा है, क्योंकि उनकी जोरा जमी तो यहाँ अभी इस क्राउड में नहीं है, बट फिर भी सुनेंगे.
हेलो हेलो आता आपण इथे क्लासिकल, रोमॅन्टिक, लाफ्टर सगळ्या प्रकारची गाणी ऐकली. वेगवेगळ्या कलाकारांची गाणी ऐकली, किशोर कुमार, मोहम्मद रफी. पण या क्लासिकल याच्यामध्ये गाण्यामध्ये, हिंदी पिक्चरमध्ये एक आवाज असा होऊन गेला की ज्याचं गाणं हिरो पासून कॉमेडी पर्यंत सगळ्यांना सूट झालं गाणं, आणि तो आवाज होता मंडाळेचा. बरोबर. आणि त्याने 1965-66 आसपास एक पिक्चर आला होता, त्याचं नाव होतं वक्त. साहिलचे शब्द आहे, रवी साहेबचं म्युझिक आहे, मन्नाडीचा आवाज आहे, आणि ही कव्वाली बदलास आणि पडद्यावर आहे. तुमच्याकडनं थोडी साथ अपेक्षा करतो. कुर्बान मेरी जान मीठे बोले जाने मन, जो मुस्कुरा के बोल दे कि धड़कनों में आज भी शराबी रंग घोल दे। वो सनम मैं तेरा आशिक़े जागदा, वो सनम मैं तेरा आशिक़े जागदा। है मेरी जोर जबी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान। तुझे कुर्बान मेरी जान, मेरी जान, तुझे कुर्बान मेरी जान, मेरी जान।
This is actually a turning point of that movie, if I remember right. इसके बाद वो आर्टिफिकेट होता है and you know the I think लाला केदार ऐसा कुछ कैरेक्टर था।
मुझे तो अमरीशपुर याद है इसमें।
After this wonderful song by Kamlakar Joshi, I would like to invite Kedar Gopal for the next song. But I don't have to right के पास है। Kedar Gopal 97 batch, 1997. Solid गाना निकाला है मेरे but once again Rajesh Khanna in the jeep, Sarmila Tagore in the tape and Sunil Kumar next to her. Now you all know what the song is.
नमस्कार. खूप बरं वाटतंय. खूप वर्षांनी हॉटेलमध्ये आलो. कुलकर्णी मॅडम, दिवाळी पांडे सगळ्यांना आणि सगळे 80sचे बॅच तुम्हाला खरोखर हॅट्स ऑफ की तुम्ही एवढं मोठं हे गेट टुगेदर करता. सगळ्यांनी खरंच काय वाजून या लोकांचे आपण एवढा उत्साह मी आल्यापासून बघतोय. एकदम मस्त उत्साह आणि छान वाटतंय. मी गात नाही, मी जरा म्युझिशियन आहे पण असं राहतो. सब रंग रलिया तू जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू चलिया तू चलिया सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू आई मस्तानी कब आएगी तू मिल जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू चलिया तू चलिया आशिक दिल का और किसी पे ये आ जाए क्या है भरोसा आशिक दिल का और किसी पे ये आ जाए आ गया तो बहुत पछता है कि तू मेरे सपनों की कब आएगी तू आए मस्तानी कब आएगी तू मिल जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू चलिया तू चलिया मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू आए मस्तानी कब आएगी तू मिल जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू चलिया 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 तू चलिया चलिया तू चलिया चलिया तू चलिया थैंक यू
Hats off to AG Varun. What a song. Toward the back end of his career, उन्होंने इतना अच्छा म्यूजिक डाला. And ये जो माउथ ऑर्गन की हार्मोनिका आपने सुना वो आर डी बर्मन ने बजाया था. एक छोटा सा क्विज है इधर इस गाने के ऊपर. I don't know. सबने शर्मिला ठाकुर को देखा है, राजेश खन्ना को देखा है. We were all watching only Sharmila's face. Can anyone tell me which novel she was reading? Which novel she was reading? It is visible the title. So she was reading a novel, Alistair MacLean ka When Hate Pays Tall. So that's the novel she was reading. But not many people out of we only watch Rajesh Khanna, Sujit Kumar, Harmonika Varun, Sharmila beautiful. But we never look at the heading of the novel. Anyway, तो उसके बाद है रजनीश. रजनीश के बाद एक और नारायण का परफॉर्मेंस है mainly. Then we will stop. Just two more performances. रजनीश. We have to change lot of cut.
Hello. Good afternoon, everybody. First of all, pranam to all 1950 batch people over here. And I'm from 1997 batch. हम लोग कालिदास पे एनुअल इवेंट करते थे तब कुलकर्णी मैडम हमको जज करती थी. अभी तक मुझे याद है. इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ाते थे. कॉमर्स है अपना. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कॉमर्स. Yes. Thank you. Yeah.
सफर जाते जाते बुलाऊंगा तुमको
You see, the whole country of the system is just deposited by the hemoglobin in that country. Because you are sophisticated with information, intoxicated by the equipment of our country. My name is Anthony Gonzalez. Right. My name is Anthony Gonzalez. मैं दुनिया में अकेला हूँ. दिल भी है खाली, दिल भी है खाली.
We started late, otherwise we are very particular. However, the humble vote of thanks to all our professors for coming and gracing this occasion. We wanted to just lift up the alumni. Yeah. Shrikant, Shraddha, I think all the tracks were so beautiful. And thank you very much. Without the sound system, I think the feel doesn't come, and I had told all the singers, you will not get anything more than the college mic. But thank you to our group of 5 people. We 5 in the group have done all the resources together and ensured that this is a contribution-free program. Thanks to all of you. I always believe that the bonding which we have created in 1976 when we stepped into the Vastu of Mulund College, love just grew. And I know one thing, all the friends are so frank, there is no ego with anybody. We tell them any job and it's done. I think in today's times to have such friends is the biggest wealth. So thanks from the bottom of our heart, all people in MCC who have created the resources available here. Main point of contact was Dr. Anuradha. My batchmates, the core team, thank you very much. May your wealth multiply 1 lakh times the contributions you all made. And I think the feeling of happiness and studying the trance with all the songs and the performers, what a talent. I'm mesmerized because I don't have much of it. I can only enjoy songs and get carried with it. So once again, I think a big thanks to everybody who sat through. Thanks for the lovely snacks, lunch boxes, the sound system, the water bottles, everything made a difference to this setting. Once again, in the same, milte hain kabhi. So thank you once again all the teachers, above all gratitude to you. and lovely 1980 continue the spirit. We lift up everybody who comes our way. Thanks a lot.